Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a gaming smartphone from ASUS. This is the Republic of Gamers Phone 3 or the ROG Phone 3. Let's go! So this ROG Phone 3 needs a new screen, and as you can see here, the back glass is cracked and damaged, and David is already trying to pry it off the device through this very thin prying tool. And of course we're going to do it slowly because underneath this back cover there's a lot of components that we don't want to get damaged. But although we can just apply a little bit of force just to remove it, just like that. First off, we're going to remove the aluminum piece of heatsink here. As you can see, it's like a computer CPU. You have your thermal paste. You can see there's some gray paste over some elements that disperse heat from the CPU and the GPU. And we're going to remove the connectors for the battery and the display. So at this stage, we can now remove the display, the old one. So this one has some tempered glass, but it still got damaged. So lesson learned that the tempered glass is not really a guarantee that it can protect your smartphone from cracking or further damage. But it can somehow prevent it drastically. And now we're gonna try to remove it just like the process we implemented in removing the back cover. We're not gonna reuse this one. So we're gonna do it slowly. And you can see that there's a connector going through the chassis, going to the back. You just have to secure it and remove it safely from the main housing. We're gonna remove all the old adhesives that are attached to the sides of the device. We're gonna scrape it with this small chisel. And once that's done, we're gonna apply some liquid adhesive to install this grill for the speaker. And of course, install the replacement display. We already sourced the display, and we're just gonna make sure that we have enough liquid adhesives, not too much, not too little, just enough so that it can hold on to the replacement display. So this is the replacement display. We're gonna try to be careful here. We're gonna make sure that the camera glass is not obstructed for the front-facing camera, and we're gonna route the connector through the housing. Make sure it's got a lot of clearance to connect to the main board. And it's kind of messy on the sides right now, but we can still clean that up later. Let's connect the display, let's connect the battery, and let's test it out. And a pro tip, if you want to do this on your own, make sure you don't damage any of the flex cables that you can see on your smartphone. Those are just the flat cables with gold colors. They can be very difficult to source, unlike your battery or screen for your smartphone. Now we tried to boot it, and then the booting sequence is pretty fast, as expected. And now we're going to try the touchscreen. Unfortunately, this time we can't show you the insides of the smartphone. So we're just going to rely on the dial phone app from the lock screen. And now we're going to remove all the gunk that we can see on the sides from the liquid adhesives. Just make it look brand new, and then install a replacement tempered glass. Again, just to minimize the chance of cracking your display. Not the full guarantee though, just to minimize the risk. Just like that, there's some bubbles, so we can just lift up this side of the tempered glass and press it in. So thanks for joining, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you want to message David, you can message him through our website, Sydney CBD Repair, or through our Facebook page. You can leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you find this video helpful. We'll see you again next time, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.